Yo, what's going on YouTube, ladies and gentlemen? So just doing a quick video today. Basically, I know I didn't unwrap the kit before, so here it is. This is the Varis version 1 Type B wide body kit for the Evo X. Go ahead and run through it, and then I'm gonna show you guys everything, and then I'm gonna tell you pretty much what's going on with it. So yeah, let's hop to that portion. Now here's the front bumper with the lip. This is pretty much somewhere spot on for the most part. I got zip ties holding it at the moment so the bumper doesn't slide all over the carbon fiber, scratching it up and what have you. And then you have this little black piece here, which I assume goes underneath the lip. You've got the fenders. You got this piece that comes under the front, comes down the bumper. Then you got this portion here, which sits on the underboard and connects to the fenders. And then you have the side skirts. And then the extension for the wide one. Then we have the rear fenders, tripping. You have the underboard, and the side skirt. Again, this piece, the fenders, and that one. Also, I have the Varis Euro GT Wing as well. All the thing I can go back and show all the serial numbers in here. That way you guys can see everything and know that it's authenticated. And you have a Varis box there, and you have one behind the Mustang over there. Obviously that hood is already sold, so now I just need to get the rest of this stuff going along with those Advan GTs there. Right now I flipped everything over except the front bumper and the lip. Like I said, it's not really attached, it's just being held by zip ties. So you have this serial number for the bumper. I don't know if you can see that, but it's 165091. For the lip, it is, where is it? Yeah, that's it right there, but it's hard to see. I'll get a better shot of it. Then you have the fender, 170141. This attachment doesn't have one. 170034. One 70160. One 70159. And this one doesn't have one. 170033. I don't know if I got this one. 170142. And then 165097. 165073. 165074. And 165096. That's what that one says. I believe I got them all, with the exception of this lip. I'll get that one. But again, everything you see here is for sale, including the Advan GTs, minus the hood over there. But the wing, let me go and get that serial number. The serial number is 193289. But yeah, like I said, everything here is for sale. I don't want to split the kit, but I have several posts in about 19 different Evo groups. Let's see. I'll post it again with this video and then post a breakdown. So the thing is, if I do split up this kit, because I've been asked about that a lot, it will be in sections. That way I know exactly what goes with what. So like for the front bumper and the lip, and then like the fender kit or the side skirts or the rear fenders. And then I'll have the prices posted for that as well. Also, I mean, you can look down in the description on this video and you'll also see it posted there. Or you can find me on Facebook at the link below, or my Instagram at the link below. And then obviously, if you're looking at this, you already have my YouTube. Other than that, I mean, I'm just trying to get rid of it. So unfortunately, if I don't get rid of it, or fortunately, however you want to look at it, it is going to go in my car. I'm just trying to sell it so that way I can, I mean, like you guys watched before, I plan on getting the Corvette. So this would go towards a nice down payment for that. And I mean, if not, if I get the Corvette and I still have this kit, it is going to go in the car. With the parting out portion of this kit, if, like I said, if I do party out, every piece will be accounted for first. So I would have to have serious buyers for each and every portion before I start accepting payments. I'm not going to accept any sort of payment until everything is accounted for and all the buyers are serious about the kit or the portion of the kit that they want. And that's the only way I'm going to park it. If, you know, I have everything accounted for except for one thing, I'm not going to sell the kit. So I don't want to get stuck with anything and not be able to sell the last piece, and I hope that makes sense to you guys. So other than that, I'm just going to conclude this video with what you see here.
We're 1,000 miles away from the nearest city. There's no lights, all dark, but no matter what, you choose to stay here with us. So I say run, I run so we can get lost together. Run, the moonlight's leading us back where we